Hey guys, it's George, and I'm going to go over the simple grocery shopping list spreadsheet. This spreadsheet can help you save time at the grocery store, and also it can help you save money by helping you buy only what you need and plan for. So the spreadsheet is organized into main food categories, and below each of those main categories are the food items. And what's nice about this spreadsheet is these main food categories like fruits and vegetables and all the food items below them can be edited so you can change them to fit your particular needs. So you can add additional food items, you can change the order, you can put vegetables first, you can delete items, and you can rename them. So I can change this item from apples to green apples. And I can select this group of items here and I can sort it. Just go up to the menu and choose data and then sort. And the items are resorted for you. And you can also change the images here. You could resize them, change them. You can add additional ones from the menu up here. You can also change some of the colors and the fonts in the spreadsheet. This is the default look, but I have another one that just gives you an idea of what you can create. So here's one that I use multicolors. So let's go back to the default look. And at the bottom here of the sheet, you can add additional notes. So I'm going to scroll back up to the top, and it's really easy to mark these and add them to your list. You just go into the cell next to the food item, and you're going to select one of the items. I'm going to zoom in so you can see specifically the items that you can select from. So if I click right here, you have three different options. You have a check mark, a different style of check mark, and a cart. I like the grocery cart, so I'm going to keep that one. I'm going to go back to the normal view. So let's say I also want to add some green apples to the list and some frozen mixed veggies and also some brownie mix. So it's easy to quickly mark the items. The next thing you can do is you could print out that sheet, and it's going to print nicely on a single sheet for you so that you can either take that to the grocery store or you can keep it in Excel. And if you have the Excel app on your phone, you can also view the spreadsheet there. So another option is that you can just print the blank worksheet without any items marked off. And then you can hang that printout on your refrigerator, and then you can just use a pen or a highlighter to mark the items that you would like to buy on your next grocery trip. So that's a quick overview of the grocery shopping list spreadsheet.